Rodent bait station DIY pest control products should be installed and used with care and professionalism when legal and appropriate for persistent infestations. Use locked plastic bait stations designed to be tamper-resistant and place anticoagulant bait blocks such as difenacoum or brodifacoum only where local laws and label directions permit. Position stations along active runways, placing them every 8 to 12 feet to ensure consistent exposure without creating bait gaps. Wear disposable gloves when handling baits to avoid scent transfer and wash hands thoroughly after, and always use a tool or stick to place blocks inside stations to minimize direct contact. Secure stations to anchors or heavy objects so they cannot be moved by wildlife or children, and choose locations that reduce non-target access, such as against walls and inside sheds, rather than in open yards. Monitor stations weekly until no activity is detected, replacing stale bait and removing any dead rodents promptly to prevent secondary risks and odor complaints. Keep detailed records of bait type, placement, dates checked, and observations to comply with regulations and to inform follow-up treatments. Common mistakes include leaving stations unsecured where pets or children can access them, which can be reduced by using locked models and mounting them out of easy reach. Another frequent issue is placing too few stations, which allows rodents to avoid baits, so follow the spacing guideline and expand coverage around harborages. People often ignore label directions or local restrictions, so always read and follow the product label, note legal limitations on specific active ingredients, and dispose of used bait and carcasses according to local rules to avoid legal and environmental problems. We operate bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners connect with local contractors and to find practical advice related to pest control projects. Our site also helps contractors find work, and we host an active discussion community where members share tips and field experience.